This is why your demand zones fail. You're missing the real confirmation. Watch what happens when volume profile aligns with discount. First, price clearly breaks the previous structure. Now, most traders see this and assume the market is turning bullish. But this is where many go wrong, because structure alone does not tell you where to enter. Price can still move against you before the real move begins. Now, instead of entering here, we need to understand value. This high becomes premium, and this low becomes discount. Smart traders do not buy in premium. They wait for price to come back into discount, because that is where better entries are formed. But here is where it gets interesting. Most traders think they should buy from discount directly, and that is exactly where they get trapped. Because price does not move up immediately. It first creates a move that takes out weak traders. So instead of moving up from here, price first pulls back. This move is not random. It is designed to attract more buyers into the market. This is called inducement, where traders are pushed to enter before the real move begins. Now at this stage, price has not reached the demand zone yet. We are only marking the area of interest. This is our demand zone below, and the buy-side liquidity resting above the highs. So now we know the path from demand towards liquidity. Now to confirm this setup, we use the fixed range volume profile. Notice this area here. This is where the highest volume is concentrated, showing strong participation. But look at the demand zone below. This is a low volume area, which means price moved very quickly from here before. And when price returns to a low volume area, it tends to react fast again. So this demand zone becomes even more significant. Now, price finally returns to the demand zone. And this is the reaction we were waiting for. After taking liquidity and aligning with volume, this is where buyers start stepping in. Now this is the exact moment most traders hesitate, but this is where the real move begins. In a second, I will show you the precise entry and why this setup works every time. This is the exact entry from the demand zone after liquidity is taken and volume aligns. Now the target is clear. Price moves from demand towards the buy-side liquidity above the highs. This is not a random trade. This is a planned setup with confirmation. If you are getting value from this, follow Discount Trader. Like, comment, and share this video. And if you want a sell-side example of this setup, comment "sell" below.